Honestly, I think this is the first time we ever heard the motorcycle lady talk. Madison Rayne is injured, but I'm not. I will be defending these tag titles by myself until Madison Rayne comes back. And I will not lose them. I will do the opposite. And I will keep them until she comes back. Because these titles mean everything to me. And I am not gonna let any two has-beens try to take it away from me. Has-beens. Did you hear that, Lady Tapa? She said has-beens. Who the hell do you think you are, motorcycle lady? I know who you are. Not by face, because you wear that weird looking helmet. But I know who you really are. You're that type of girl that is a bad, messed up, traumatized piece of shit. And I am sick and tired of you dumb knockouts trying to take everything that us knockouts that have been here before you have earned. Those knockouts tag titles didn't come back by themselves. They came back because people wanted the knockouts tag team championships, and they got it. Everybody was happy about tag teams, knockout tag teams building up. And now that Madison Rayne is injured, you're gonna take her place, you and yourself? Who's gonna be your tag partner, your imaginary friend? Honestly, Gail, she has no chance in hell if she thinks she's gonna keep those tag titles until Madison Rayne comes back. Do you not understand me with that helmet? Am I not coming through? I said you'll never succeed. Madison Rayne is injured and you're alone. But me and Gail Kim, we're gonna defeat you at the Unknown 2019 pay-per-view. We're gonna take those tag titles and we're gonna bring honor to our name and those titles. You know, those tag titles are called knockouts tag titles, not motorcycle lady and herself. A tag team is supposed to be two or more, and you're just by yourself. Listen, okay, Lady Tapa, you don't know the Widow's Peak. What? No! Oh no, no, no! Could she hit it? Could she hit it? Widow's Peak! Widow's Peak! Oh, Gail Kim, eat the feet. Eat the feet. No. Oh! Oh no. No. She can't. She can't. Widow's Peak! No. The motorcycle lady is running away with those tag titles. Will that happen at the Unknown 2019? Will she keep her tag titles? We'll find out. It sucks to be her though. Madison Rayne is off with an injury. How is she gonna fight without her?